Today I'm cooking buffalo sirloin with garlic and herb butter. I've picked up some Tenderstem broccoli to go with it. Proper clean steak night. I'm going to start by trimming off the ends of the broccoli. The ends tend to be a little bit woody and can be a bit bitter. Next I'm going to coat the broccoli with some lemon infused oil, just to give it a little bit of zing. I'm also going to give them a little bit of seasoning with some sea salt. Set those aside now until we're ready to cook them. Now it's time to prepare the buffalo steak. I've taken the steak out early so it's not fridge cold. We're going to start by patting the steak dry. Then we're going to season it well with salt and pepper. I get my buffalo meat from Oakley's farm. This isn't your standard red meat. It's grass-fed water buffalo, not grain-fed, which makes a huge difference to both flavour and nutrition. It's leaner than beef, higher in protein, and naturally lower in fat. These animals are grass-fed, which is exactly what they're designed to eat. No grain finishing, no feedlot diet, just pasture. This means a better fat profile, more omega-3s, and cleaner meat overall. Preheat your pan, get it nice and hot. I'm using sunflower oil today because it has a higher smoke point. You'll know when the pan's ready, the oil will start to glisten. Now it's time to add your steak to the pan. Drop it in and don't touch it for 2 minutes. Throw in some sprigs of rosemary to flavour the oil. After a couple of minutes, we'll flip the steak and then we'll add the butter. Give the butter a minute to melt and then start to baste the steak. I like to render the fat on the side of the steak for around 30 seconds. Now remove your steak from the pan and leave it to rest for at least 5 minutes. So while that's resting, we'll throw in our broccoli into the pan and we'll let it stew in all the juices. Give that a minute and then remove the rosemary. Toss the broccoli in the pan to cover it in all those lovely juices. Cook those for a couple of minutes and then remove. It's time to plate up. Serve the steak whole or cut it into fine slices. Entirely up to you. To finish, add a knob of the garlic and herb butter. Let it melt. This is my perfect mid-rare buffalo sirloin steak. Enjoy.